So how do you adjust the Magic Mouse sensitivity on the iPad? Let's get started, but before we get it started, obviously make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you don't miss any tutorials like this one. So there are a few things which you can do. Obviously, we go and explore the settings app, and inside of there, we can go directly to the tracking sensitivity, which you can find to be part of your accessibility settings. Then you're going to scroll down a bit more and you need to tap on a touch, assistive touch. And when you scroll down a bit, you can see we have the tracking sensitivity. This doesn't only apply to the mouse accessory, but even if you have the trackpad connected through the Magic Keyboard or even some other one, this applies to it as well. So it's just like generally for the pointer. And then another thing or a place which you can check out is still within the accessibility, but on the main accessibility page, you can scroll down a bit more and you should be able to find the pointer control. It is part of your accessories, so it is possible that perhaps it doesn't show up for you, so make sure you have your accessories connected. But tap on pointer control where you can change the size and some colors and stuff like that. But at the bottom, we have the slider for scrolling speed, right? So this is kind of not really sensitivity, but obviously if you move it quicker around the screen, it also makes the whole UI behave different. So it's most definitely very important to adjust it properly and ensure that it works with, to fulfill your expectations. So if you have some other questions or things in mind, go ahead and leave that below in the comments. I just try to be as useful as I can be, but there are possibly things I may have missed. So let me know about that. Thanks a lot and stay tuned for more by subscribing. I'll talk to you later.